We are here with Ashish Morone at Impact Digital Influencer Conference of 2024. He is the Executive Vice President and Head of Brand Marketing for HDFC Bank. So, how was the panel discussion today?
I think it was a very interesting discussion today. The use of influencers in brand-related work as well as acquisition has increased in a significant way, and it's becoming more and more relevant for us to get a sense of how we can use it to the best extent possible.
That's amazing. Now, my first question to you is, what skills do you look for when you are hiring a Gen Z professional?
I think a lot of these young people, Gen Z people, are extremely skilled in what they do, and I think the most important thing is to get the attitude right. And if they have the right attitude, I think the rest is a cakewalk.
Okay, my next question is, what's the best way to build a strong personal brand?
I think the best way to build a strong personal brand is to be authentic, to be very comfortable in the space you operate in, and to be extremely inclusive in what you do.
Can you please tell me what is the importance of storytelling in marketing today?
I think it's extremely important, and if you were to look at it, I think for the past, storytelling has always been a core part of what marketers do, right? And today it's just found a term. It is talked about more often, but I think it's been stories that all of us have been telling over a long period of time. Today, from a brand story, I think the importance of having individual personal stories, consumer stories, has also gone up significantly. So I think that's an aspect that has got added to it, but it's been a part and parcel of all of our lives.
Thank you so much for those insights, Ashish. Now, my first question for the rapid fire round is, who is the biggest inspiration in the industry for you and why?
I think Mondelez is one of the biggest inspirations for me. I think because they, in spite of being a traditional brand, they, in spite of being in a category which used to be associated with kids, have made tectonic shifts to become a brand which appeals to a wider audience. And I think what they have done really well is also they have changed from a traditional approach of marketing to the modern way, the digital way of marketing, and have a great mix of both of these ways sort of to reach out to the audience. So they've been at the top end. I almost see them in all the top award entries when I go as a jury, with some amazing work that comes our way.
Lovely. Now, my last question to you is, how do you handle failures or setbacks in your life?
I think the biggest one thing I would very firmly believe that if you don't fail, I think you don't succeed. So you have to fail at some point of time to succeed. And I think the best way to handle a failure is to pick up the learnings from what and why and where we failed, and use that as a stepping stone to ensure that you don't repeat the same mistakes. I think it's just about learning and evolving from your failures.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashish Morone, for having a conversation with Impact on E4M.